Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo app. To know how to fix or how to solve your Duolingo, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter or you will click on Duolingo app. Here in this page you will enter to the window or to the app of to the window for stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then you click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.